Hey guys, welcome back to another cold process soap video. Okay, I am gonna be making another beautiful color of cold process soap. Like making soaps is so satisfying. So I will constantly be making soap until I don't know when. Okay, I've already measured out all of my oils that I need for this project. In here I have some coconut oil, some palm oil, some castor oil, some grapeseed oil, and last but not least, some olives oil. I'm gonna put this to the side. I haven't measured out the fragrance oil yet. I'm gonna be using some very nice fragrance oil that I love so dearly. But it's called Pink Lady and Bamboo. So I'm just gonna be measuring it out like so. That's that. So this is my fragrance oil. Funny enough, today I'm not gonna be doing a lot of complicated colors, but I'm going for a certain design, okay? So, but before I do, I'm gonna be adding some titanium dioxide in my soap base because I want my base, most of my base to be white, okay? I'm not measuring the titanium dioxide in any particular order. I'm just adding a little bit, and I'm gonna give it a nice stir, guys. It's very late. It's in the morning. I think it should be like 12 or 1 o'clock. Yes, it's almost 1 o'clock, guys. So time is catching up with me, okay? Time is really catching up with me. It's time to add our lye solution in here, okay? So my temperature, let me check my temperature really quick. This is 88.3, 85.3. Funny enough, right? All right, so I'm going like so. Now that our lye is in, I'm gonna be very careful now because my worries have started already and all of that. I'm not gonna be stick blending this just yet. I'm afraid, you already know. I'm really afraid and all of that. I want to put my fragrance oil, but I don't know yet. But let's put this to the side yet and try to deal with our colors. Okay? Now, I told you what I've guessed by now, right? I'm using this neon again, okay? This color, I cannot get enough. I'm gonna be putting this much in here, like that. I'm gonna do my best to mix it up with some of my soap. Just wrapping it up a little bit. Just blending it a little, just a tiny bit, okay? A tiny bit. That's it, guys. That's it. I'm doing everything I can to avoid the oil the fragrance oil I'm about to use. I've never used it in a soap before. No, I've used it in a melting pot soap, but not a soap like this. So I am not sure what will happen. I'm afraid to put it in here because I don't know. But we have to do this, okay? So I'm just gonna be pouring some soap in here. That much. I want more white than The yellow. Yellow is so beautiful. Like, where you been in my life? Where have you been all my life? Where have you been all my life? You guys love my goggles? It looks cute, right? Really, really cute. Okay. All right, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. Though my soap is behaving right now. It's not crazy and getting all the trays in the world. But as soon as I try, right, to put the fragrance oil in here, I just don't know what's gonna happen. So let me get my goggles off. This is what I'm working with tonight or this morning. Because it's already in the morning, guys. I took my goggles off because it's kind of making my hair hurt a little. I'm gonna be adding my fragrance oil like so. Okay, that much. I'm gonna keep the rest. Oh yeah, it's gonna give a trace. Like as soon as I put it in here, I started feeding the trays already, so. Well, thankfully I got everything ready. I'm not doing a lot of colors, so I believe it's not gonna be a problem that much. Oh, I don't think it's giving it that much of a trace. So let me try it, put it in my yellow too and see what's gonna happen. Okay. I'm just gonna blend it a little bit, just a tiny bit. So this is my mold. You guys already know these molds. I don't know why I took this in blue, but I have like, I think 4 or 5 molds with the same color. I don't know why I did that. Now, I'm gonna get my alcohol and spray my mold a little bit, like so. Good. So I'm going to pour now, okay? If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you. I hate to admit it, I'm out of ideas, I don't know what to do. Most of the times I think I'll make it through, but all that it takes is one image of you and it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows. It hurts just a little when I'm with my friends and we drink till we're done. So I can't remember how it would feel to wake up in that bed right beside you. All of the memories I try to erase just comes back when I'm sober and I see that face and it shivers. Nobody knows the Oh, okay. There's something else I want to do. I want to use this. Guys, I'm acting like a pro now, right? Be careful. So I'm going to go like so. Okay. But we do have a lot of room to do designs. So shall we? Still kind of liquidy. Let me leave it alone. I always like, guys, see how human beings are? And I'm done. For me to leave the soap alone, I'm here still trying to be extra. Still trying to be extra. Still trying to be extra. God, what's this? I just saw something in my work that I just work hard for. Do you know how hard it is to be here? Don't play with me. Okay. So guys, I am going to add some glitter on this just to put a little bit of touch to it. I'm back with more problems. So I'm going to be taking some glitter that I got from Brambleberry. It's a holographic glitter. I'm just going to be adding a little bit on here just to add a little touch to this. We're just gonna stop right here and wait for 18 to 24 hours. It depends on how the soap will harden. I'm gonna come right back here and I'm gonna give you a cut right before you. So guys, this is the next day and I am here to see what's cooking in there, okay? But like, this is beautiful, beautiful. I haven't seen what's in there, but I know this will be a very beautiful bar. You guys know that I am really nosy, but I was patient enough to wait and all of that. So I can already see the beauty. It have been at least maybe like, God, how many hours have it been? Because I did this soap like 1 o'clock. Oh my God, this soap is still pretty soft and I'm here messing around. Guys, I am 2 inches, okay? This is how the bottom is looking. This is the side. Ooh. Yep. And this side is everything, okay? Everything. Oh, I think I took this soap out too early. But let's just get this video rolling, okay? Let's just get it done. Let's just get it over. Wait, baby. So guys, I'm all set to cut this bad boy up, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna be doing, I am going to be getting the first layer out first, like that. Let me push this way. Just want to get a tiny bit of it out. Yup. Okay. Ooh. Are you killing me? Man, oh man. Okay. Now we have seen what's cooking in there. Let's do that.
If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you. And I hate to admit it, I'm out of ideas. I don't know if I'll cope with it. If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you. I hate to admit it, I'm out of ideas. I don't know what to do. Most of the times I think I'll make it through, but all that it takes is one image of you and it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers.
So this is it. Can you see how the two soaps goes together? Like, guys, like I was trying to, my nails is a mess. I just polish one finger and never get to complete it. But I'm so sorry about my nails. But can we have a moment of silence for these two? Like, they was made for each other, guys. I love it. Like, they look so good. Both soaps looks identical. I don't know if you can see what I'm saying here. This is our final results, okay? I just feel like this camera is not doing the color justice, okay? This is a neon yellow, but it's coming out like a green on camera. But in person, this is a pretty neon yellow that I cannot stop looking at. It is so pretty, like words cannot even say. Like, but anyways, let me start rumbling. That's all I have for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. And until next time, God bless. Bye-bye.
And I hate to admit it, I'm out of ideas. I don't know if I'll cope without you. Yeah, it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows 'cause it shivers. It's cold and it's dark without you in my arms. Yeah, it shivers, it hurts. Shivers, it hurts.